Welcome to my channel Cook with Prashanthi. Today we are going to bake eggless vanilla sponge cake. This is the first time I am trying eggless cakes. For that you need to first make your dry ingredients ready. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida into a bowl. Add 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and give it a good mix and keep aside. Later you need to grease your baking tin and keep it aside. Here I am using electric beater so that my process of making the cake or the batter gets quick. In the mixing bowl you need to take 3 to 4 tablespoons of castor sugar and 55 grams of unsalted butter and cream it for 4 minutes. Later you need to add 200 grams of condensed milk followed by 1 cup of milk. You need to add each ingredient one by one and give it a good mix with the help of an electric beater. Make sure that there are no lumps. Here I have used half tin of condensed milk. Its weight was 400 grams. So we needed only 200 grams of condensed milk for this recipe. After you mix the condensed milk and milk, you need to add vanilla essence to this and give it a mix again. With the help of an electric beater, our process gets really quick and easy to make. After all the wet ingredients are mixed, you need to add the dry ingredients which we have kept aside earlier. Slowly and make sure that there are no lumps. Now after beating with the help of electric beater for 4 minutes, after adding the dry ingredients, check that there are no lumps and transfer it into the baking tray and bake it as normally you bake any other cake, like in the oven, air fryer, by following the instructions given and using the user guide. Bake it and keep it aside for some time. After it cools, you need to demold it. And our eggless vanilla sponge cake is now ready, and it's time to celebrate because we are completing 100 videos on our channel with this video, and it has been 1 year that we have created and posting content on my channel. I hope you will all support me in my journey. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.